Welcome guys, my name's Judd, this is Scotty from Southern Off-Road, and we have an awesome looking truck here. So what do we have here, Scotty?
It's got a 2017 Toyota Tundra, and we outfitted it with a 6-inch rough country lift, some different wheels and tires, and then on this particular truck we had decided to go from a 35, which is typically designed for this kit, and went to a 37. So we had to do our Southern Off-Road body mount mod to it as well.
Well, it looks amazing. So what wheel and tire combo did y'all go with?
So on this truck, we set up the wheels and tires. We did an 18-inch fuel enduro, along with a 37-inch Cooper STT Pro. Run out was good on it, balanced out well. The look itself is really aggressive, so it's got more of an off-road look, a lot more tire and less wheel than some of the other combinations you see out there.
Well, it looks really clean. Now, to fit that 37, you said you had to do the body mount mod, but what else did you have to do, lift kit wise?
So on these Tundras, the body or the cab mount comes out into the wheel well opening. Now when you're running a stock truck, it doesn't matter. Level truck, a little bit taller tire, typically doesn't matter. On this particular setup, this 6-inch kit from Rough Country was designed for a 35-inch tall tire. What we decided to do was go up a little bit on that. We're always trying to go up and reach for the next level. So with 37, we did the cab mount modification. Basically, we trim out a certain amount of that cab mount, and we weld in a new piece, clean it all up and paint it, but it gives us about an inch or so, inch and a half more clearance, so when we sweep that tire around, it doesn't make contact. We also had to modify the bottom of the bumper slightly, along with removing the actual mud flaps.
Well, it looks clean. Looks like it's from factory. You wouldn't know the difference. Now lift kit wise, how many inches you said?
So it is a 6-inch Rough Country. This is the base kit. So it's a preload spacer on the strut assembly, along with a 4-inch spacer on top of that strut, along with all the cross member brackets, differential drop brackets, sway bar end links and things like that. So it gets everything back like it was. All the geometry is retained.
Well, Scotty, y'all did an amazing looking job on this Tundra. It looks great, clean build. So how can they contact Southern Off-Road to do this to their Tundra?
Yeah, so we do a lot of Tundras, Ford F-150s, full-size trucks, Jeeps, all kinds of stuff like that. If you want to get something done like this to your truck, visit our website, www.southernoffroad.com. You can check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Also sales@southernoffroad.com. Email in and we'll get you a quote started, or just call us 205-685-1911.
Well, definitely check them out, guys. This is an amazing looking truck, so definitely check out Southern Off-Road. Thank you.